best-selling brain teaser puzzle on Amazon and Barnes & Noble. And guys, they're a magnetic shape-shifting puzzle. You can create 70 different shapes with these, and they're part brain teaser, part puzzle, part fidget toys.
I think one of the advantages of the Shashibo is that it combines the characteristics of some of the most successful toys. It has the stackability and combinability of Lego. It has the magnetic properties of Magnetiles, and at the same time, the transforming, problem-solving aspect of a Rubik's Cube.